Hi, this is Audi approved 2015 Q5. This car is in immaculate condition and it's well maintained. This car comes with a lot of features. As standard. This car, let's start with the engine. This car comes with 2000cc 177 bhp engine and which comes with Quattro. The Quattro is Audi's legendary four-wheel drive system, which is an intelligent four-wheel drive system which always gives you good traction and it's suitable for normal road conditions as well as off-road conditions. This car also comes with two-zone air conditioning system, which means I can have my own temperature and the other passenger can have his own temperature. This car comes with a lot of safety features. 8 airbags are standard, traction control, stability control, electromechanical parking brake, auto hold. These are all safety features. It comes with front parking sensors and rear parking sensors as standard. This car also comes with height adjustable armrest and lot of storage space below the armrest wherein you can keep your phone and other stuff. There are a lot of storage space here also, and it comes with cooled glove box and a place to keep your phone. The driver information system of this car can be customized according to what do you want to see on the screen. You can access your multimedia settings, your contact details, your car information, everything with the buttons present on the steering wheel. This steering wheel comes with a telescopic and tilt adjustment settings, and the car comes with 2 memory settings. You can save your seat and side mirror settings in the car itself, and this can also be stored in the key. The key stores 2 different settings of 2 different users. So as soon as the first person unlocks the key with the first key, the car sets the seat settings automatically according to his preferences, and once the other person unlocks the car with this key, his settings get activated automatically. This car comes with a huge panoramic sunroof, and the opening area of this sunroof is one of the biggest in the segment. That's a huge sunroof. This car comes with Audi Drive Select as standard. Now this is a feature wherein there are preferences for each driver. Someone likes driving in a little sporty, someone likes a comfortable drive. Okay, I really like this feature. If you're not wearing your seat belt, the car doesn't move. So you can actually switch off this feature if needed, but I like this feature to be switched on always. So right now we are in the comfort mode. The car feels super smooth. The suspensions are super soft. The car is in low RPM mode. The gear changes are really smooth. The engine noise, the vibrations, the harshness, everything is very low. You can barely hear the road noise or the engine sound. Now let us put it into dynamic mode. You can instantly feel the difference. The gear changing is quick. There's a bit of engine noise to give that sporty feeling. The suspensions have become slightly stiffer. It sticks on to the corners. You can also put it into manual mode and you can drive it in manual transmission also.